So the interactivity of this and how it's linked into thought and consciousness, and a lot of people think, well, this is impossible because it's so interactive with your thought and the coherence of the group and meditation. And I tell people, I said, yes, but you're thinking like a 21st century or 20th century human, when in reality we're dealing with interstellar civilizations that are thousands to millions of years more developed than we are. And, the big science of the next 1,000 years on Earth, as soon as we can complete getting these new energy and propulsion sciences out and safely established, will be the science of consciousness and the interface with mind and thought, even with technologies and all sorts of development of higher states of consciousness. And this is where the Vedic knowledge of the ancient Vedas and the Puja are so critical to understanding the extraterrestrial reality, because they understand this very well. They certainly work with the angelic realm, or as some would call the concourse on high, and the higher beings and the avatars. And when we have these experiences, we literally find ourselves surrounded not only with these manifestations of the extraterrestrial craft and beings, but we also can sense, and many people have experiences with angelic beings and ancestral beings that are connected to the work we're doing, because it's all part of this big cosmos. And the cosmos is not just material, but it's also conscious. And these worlds of consciousness and worlds of light are very involved with the work that we're doing, and with this process of the transformation of life on Earth. Even though we view this as only a material realm, and it is a material realm, and we have bodies and all of that, but it's also a spiritual realm, and we have our spirit bodies and consciousness. And so this is certainly the reality for these civilizations from other worlds, and they understand this very, very well, because to go faster than the speed of light at a resonant frequency beyond the speed of light and matter, you cross over in what I call the crossing point of light into these realms of the etheric and astral, and they traverse and are interfacing with that realm, which includes the realm of visualized thought and coherent thought in deep meditation, as easily as we talk on cell phones and telephones. So once you get that kind of paradigm established in your awareness and understand, the real Vedic cities, Siddhis, these powers that the masters in the ancient Vedic traditions could do, such as bilocation, teleportation, levitation, precognition, remote viewing, all this, then it makes complete sense that these civilizations would have this ability, and that's what we're actually using as our operating paradigm as we go out under the stars together in these gatherings, and that's why it's so exciting for people.